Hi guys, this is Fire-Boltt Phoenix Ultra, a newly launched Bluetooth calling smartwatch with cool looking design. Now this is a cool looking package from Fire-Boltt. Some features are written here and there on the box, but we're gonna discuss in details. So let's open up the package first. Wow, this is the smartwatch with a solid build quality, steel frame as well as steel straps and that little cute button over here. Let's check what else we got inside the box. A charging cable, one side USB-A and the other side is magnetically attached to the watch. You can charge it with any cell phone charger. Lots of documentations. Mostly are vouchers, book my show, Ghana, play membership. Oh, here is a warranty card. User manual, useless. Anyway, let's talk about the watch. This watch comes with 1.39-inch HD display with 240 by 240 pixel resolution. Display is good, right? But you got a little bit of visible bezel. Anyway, the display looks cool. And this watch is really thin with solid metallic build. It's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch. So here is a speaker hole and also has a microphone hole, sensor module, a charging port on back and a crown. It's not a functional crown. It's work as a button. You can turn on, turn off the screen and also back to the home screen. And it has 60 Hz display. So UI feels really smooth. Yes, it's really smooth. But you know what is the main important thing for me? Looks. And it looks gorgeous. If you have skinny hand like me, it will look good, definitely. You need to download the Fit application from Play Store or App Store to connect this smartwatch in order to access all the features. Talking about fitness, you can measure heart rate, SpO2, track sleep, also has an accelerometer, so you can count your steps too. Well, step count is 90% accurate. And also you can see how much distance you have walked, how many calories you have burned. But the most useful feature for me is the mensuration cycle tracking feature, which reminds my date, which I usually forget. You can set it up from the Fit application and get reminded before cycle starts. So today we have an oximeter here. It's a medical graded oximeter which provides quite an accurate data. So we're gonna compare this data with my watch data to see kitna accurate hai. Okay, so let's start with heart rate. Okay, so heart rate in oximeter is 92 BPM and in smartwatch also quite close, 97 BPM. SpO2 in my smartwatch is 97% and in oximeter 98%. So data is quite close. And it has 120 plus sports mode, so you can track details, data like heart rate and how much calories you have burned during workout. Cool. Let's talk about Bluetooth calling. If it is showing not connected when you have turned on your smartwatch and set up everything, then go to your phone Bluetooth section and connect call Bluetooth manually. So inside the calling section, you can get recent calls, call logs. Not only that, you can dial anyone from the dial pad. You can control volume and mute during call. Speaker is definitely loud and clear. Some favorite contacts you can save here and call them directly. At the time of incoming call, you will get an annoying ring. And no option in the watch to mute it or put it in silent. So the sound you are listening right now is coming from my smartwatch directly, and I am inside my room, quiet environment, so you will get this kind of sound at the time of calling. If you swipe down, all you see control center, some settings you can access from here, like you can turn on silent mode, DND, brightness control and some other stuff. And if you swipe up, you will get notification like Facebook, WhatsApp notification. How cool is that? Okay, let's talk about some other features quickly. You have voice assistant, alarm, timer, stopwatch. You can control camera shutter remotely, inbuilt games, दो games hai. You can check out present weather and also next 6 days weather. Also you can control music. Not only that, music can be played through a smartwatch. You can play, pause, jump to previous track, next track and also control volume. Apart from that, you can do breathing exercise too. If you long press in home screen, you can change watch faces. Quite a few options available in the smartwatch, but there are a lot more inside the Fit application. Lots of cloud-based watch faces available. You can customize too. It means you can set your image as a watch face. Cool. I love this smartwatch. Talking about battery backup, it can last up to 2 to 3 days with calling. And without calling, it can last up to 7 days. So decent battery backup. Also it has IP7 rating, so it will not damage in water. You can wash it definitely. Okay, so this is a decent quality smartwatch in this price range. I love this look, and that's it. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.